Hey everybody, it's old Brad. This right here is a V-22 Osprey, and the United States Marine Corps uses it to transport their Marines from offshore on the Marine carriers, small aircraft carrier basically with helicopters and these, and now F-35. Anyway, these right here can rotate down and it'll fly like an airplane, and then when they're coming in to land and when they're taking off, they go vertical like this right here. And they got landing gear that retract up in, and it can hold like 24 Marines, give or take. Got like 1,000-mile radius combat range, and it can go at about 350 miles an hour, so it can haul tail way faster than a helicopter. Anyway, let's look right here. That's what it looks like right here, and I got a picture off my phone and everything, but we scroll down right here, and that right here is it in level flight right here. It's flying like an airplane, and this is like when it's coming in to land and take off. And that's what it looks like. It'll be stowed away like on the ship. Anyway, what it replaced is the C-Night. CH-46. And they had these things, I think, all the way back in Vietnam. I know I seen them when I was in the military in the early 90s. So, yeah, I didn't make a time lapse of this right here or anything, but it took about 30 minutes to draw. And I done it right before the Marine right here, which I already uploaded and everything, but that only took about 10 minutes. But anyway, yeah, replace that right there with this right here. And I think it costs like $70 million, but anyway, I hope the Marines like it. Too much to think. It's old Brad. United States Marine Corps.